Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new questions. That is write a Java program to reverse a string. So that means you have to reverse a string. For that, you might be getting confused how to reverse a string and what is the meaning of the reversing the string. So basically, what is a string means the character which you have to write should be a reverse by itself. So let's suppose if you let's take first of all main method. Inside of main method, just take one variable, say string. Name of the variable just take a string, okay, or str is equal to you just take like a apple, okay, apple. And what you want to do, the our question is to you have to reverse a string, means reverse a word. So we have to reverse this word in a ascending order, like from this side. Okay, like first print the E, then L, then P, then P, then A. So it should be returned like this. So how to implementing this? You might be getting confused, and you can also think like the it won't be possible, but it actually possible. And it this is this interview this question is actually asking in the interviews. Many times it will be asked that this kind of question. This is a very basic questions, but people think that I can easily to solve this question, and that reason they were not even write the one time. So you have to at least write once. Then you think that you have to know or not. So how to implementing this? To implement this, let's suppose here we just take here Apple. So let's take some relatable like Hello World. The first program which we are wrote in our coding journey is Hello World. So that's why the Hello World is the best to reverse this. Okay. Now we have to reversing this. We need one more character, a string that should be reverse. Okay, so let's take here REVERSE, reverse. Okay, this is the character which a string which I have taken is equal to, just take as it is, empty string. And this string is used to calculate or get the reverse of this word. We have to reverse this character inside of this variable. Okay, and then we have to print it. So for that, we need first of all for loop to iterate the our string from 0 to length of the our string. So in I is equal to 0, starting from the 0, and let's take like not like that. Oh, okay, we have to reverse that. So that means the our I should be a length of the string, means from the last. Okay, whatever the length of the string, it will be going from the that last of the string. Then we have to print it. So how to do that? To doing that, we just need a str dot length, length, length. This method is already present in the string class. The length method is inbuilt method which is present in the string class, which is used to calculate the length of the string. So basically, the length of this string is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, approximate 8 or 9. Okay, the length of the string. And after this, the next condition will be uh, make sure it should be a last one. So -1 is important. And then I is greater than 0 and I minus minus. What is the meaning of this line? So basically, the our string is starting from the last. Okay, it will be starting from here. Okay, it will be starting from the here and it goes like this. I greater than 0, that means I should be greater than 0. That means the our string length of the string is like I think 10. So 10 is greater than I, because the initial value of I is 0. That's why is greater than I. That means our condition is true, and I minus minus. So it will be decreasing the iteration of one in every iteration. Value by one in every iteration. Okay. So how they were doing like that? After this, the main logic is here. Like our variable is reversed. Okay. Reversed is equal to str dot get it off. If you remember my previous program, we used this method. What actually this method do? This method is getting a string and taking the values one by one. One time only one character it will be taking, and then and it should be going to the reversed. For that, we need a assignment operator that is a plus equal to. So it will be getting adding the every element from the last. From the here it will be going from here, and it will be adding the values in the reverse order. So the here the our value will be calculated like this. So what is the values? First uh, this, then what we have, L, then R, then O, then W, then space. Make sure the space is also printed in the string. So space is also allowed. Then H, then E, sorry, not H, from last. So it's reverse direction. O, O, L, L, E, H. So this is the output we accepting expect from this method. So after this, what we have to do, just come here and outside this for loop block and print the values like this out system.out.println original string. So what is the our original string? Should we first print that? So you have to understand what we are trying to do here. Hello, sorry, not a hello. What is the string? Str. So it will be printing the our original values first. Then again we will take that sys out system.out.println and the reversed reversed string. Okay, and then plus we have to print the reversed. So our program is done. It will be calculating the reverse values, and it will be calculating the printing the our original values, that is a hello world. So let's run this program and check is it working fine or not. So let's run it. As you can see here, the origin string is hello world, and the reverse string is first question mark. Actually, I think what we say this acceleration mark. Okay, then D L R O W, then O L L E. So I think H is not printed. Why? Let me tell you why. Because here I is equal to str dot length minus one. That's why it will be going from the minus one from the last. That means if the length of the string is 7, 7 minus 1 is coming from the 6. So it will be goes from the 6 to 0, not 7 to 0. So that's why let's remove this one. Let me run it again and see. Oh, okay. That means the minus 1 is required. The length of the string is right. Control Z minus 1. Okay. Okay. Why it happened? Because I is greater than 0. So that means it will be calculating from the 1, not from the 0. So that's why I should greater than is equal to 0. Then it will be calculating the all over the values. Now run it and see our all values is calculated, and the our answer is right. And we'll solve this question, and now you're also the happy, and sorry for late uploading the videos because I'm little bit of busy with the some other work, and the new video is come from the other topic like if you are from the uh, content content developer, so I will also upload the video in those topic like Node.js, Express.js. So I'm working on it on those topic, And if I am comfortable and confident about those things, and definitely I will upload the all the videos from that topics and that technology. So so that's all about these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day